Well, here you go, folks. New gas grill from Monument Grills. This is the Mesa II series, and they sent this out to me. Full disclosure there is they did give me this grill and asked me to put it together and tell them what I thought about it. I'm going to go back, show you kind of how we put it together. It went together pretty good. Didn't have a whole lot of problems. I did it by myself. I'm going to kind of tell you what I think about it, what I think it'll do, and how it's going to fit into the cooking rotation here around the Stewart household. Let's go back in time and see how I put this grill together and let y'all see kind of how easy it really was for one person to do. Now, we're going to go back in time and let you see how I put it together and how long do you think it took one person to put together this grill. Before you see it to the end, put in the comments how long you think it took me by myself. Here's our first look, guys, and I tell you what, I am impressed. We have wood slats in here trying to protect this. That is definitely a plus. Here is our screws. We got some instructions. So let's get this on out and see if we can get it put together. Here we go. First part, first view of the actual grill. Let's get it out of this box. First impressions, packaged very, very well. Stainless steel burners. Give y'all a look at those. There we go. Nice stainless steel burners. Looks like it's made for a rotisserie attachment that you can get for it. But enamel coated steel, stainless steel front and top. Let's see if we get the cabinet together and get this on it. The first item is to put on the wheels, and you don't have to screw them on. They're just going to snap into place. There we go. You see that little spring clip right there? That's what holds them in place. It's got nice detailed instructions. Y'all can see those. And few screws, not a whole lot. They all come packaged nicely. And here we go. This is nice too. If you're having problems, customer support right there. So that's handy to have. Hopefully, we're not going to have to call anybody. Next step, get our crossbar in. It's going to go on the inside. And looks like it goes like this, and here's where your lighter hangs if you got to light it with a match, I guess. And the screws are numbered well. The plastic container has A, B, C, D, E. You just go down the list, and it tells you what's in there and what's going on. But so far, this is a very easy assembly. Not having a problem at all. Usually when I'm doing something like this, I don't tighten up any of the screws. So I got all 4 screws started. That'll be a little tip for you. I won't charge extra for that tip. There's that. Let's see what's next. Next step is sit the burner on top. So let's move this down. And here's our burner. Top 4 burners, right? And it's got some screws on here, and that's how we're going to screw it on here. Tighten those screws up once you have them all four started. Next thing they're gonna have us do is put on the thermometer. See if we can get that done. It's got a little cover for the back side, but it's gonna go in the front right there. Lift it up. Right there. And it comes with a wing nut. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the burner on this side. So let me grab it, we'll put it on. Now, I think what we're gonna do is start these screws. Looks like it has slots again. I'll show you all those kind of up close where you can see the slots. So here we go. It's got the slots right here. We'll slide those on, and then these, the screws are coming from the inside into this screw here, and this screw right here, right? Got them. Gas knob is on. So slide our knob on there. Striker works. And let's hook up the burner. It goes on. I'm going to try to get this where y'all can see it just like that. Come in from the back. Pop in my spring clip. And this slides up into this ceramic fitting. There we go. In place. We got a spark. That's working. Have these two little brackets there for the side shelf. It's a folding shelf. They're going to go on the same way that we put on the other side. And we're going to do it just like we did the other side. Come in here from the inside and attach it. That way they have one bolt from the outside, one from the inside to secure that nice and tight. So, doesn't look too hard to get this on here. We're just going to pop it in the slot, bow it out a little bit. In the slot, it'll drop down, pick it up. There you go, shelf's on. Next item going on is our drip pan. I'm just gonna, let's see here. Goes up, catches there, slides into place here. That is handy. Let's see here. Got a rack up in the top. Interesting, never seen it a shelf like that. Usually it's a wire rack. Flame tamers. And our stainless ones down here. I think this is what they call their searing station on this one. That's there. Let's see if we can get in some racks. There you have it. We got it all together. It is probably a two-person job. I did it with one person. Going to give you the time here in a second. So what do I like about this grill? I like the side burner. I like the cast iron grates. Easy put together. Instructions there. There is a number for you to call for help if you're having problems. I think it's put together well. It seems to be really sturdy. I think the cart will roll around on my patio just fine. What do I dislike about it? What I would say is really the only knock I have on putting it together was I wish the pieces were labeled to the numbers. They do have it in the drawings and you can see and they show you all that. That would be nice, and written instructions. I'm an old guy that likes those written instructions, but they have plenty of pictures and they tell you what parts to use. You can go to the table and make sure you have the right ones. But overall, I think it's a pretty good little grill, and it's definitely going to fit into our rotation. So how long did it take one person to put this together? I started at 6 o'clock. It is now 8:15. So it took me 2 hours and 15 minutes by myself. I would say with some help, 1.5 hours to get it done, but was not hard for one person at all. Check out these Monument grills. I'll have a link below for it so you can go see one if